If you've lost access to your Discord account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, you can still regain access by following these steps. Here is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Go to the Discord login page. Visit the Discord login page on your web browser or open the Discord app. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Discord account. Make sure it is the correct email you used when signing up. After entering your email, click on the Reset Password button. Step 3. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Discord with the subject Password Reset. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the link provided in the email to reset your password. Step 4. Create a new password. Follow the link to the password reset page. Enter a new password that is strong and secure. Confirm the new password by entering it again, then submit the changes. Step 5. Log into your account. Return to the Discord login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account again. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Discord support for further assistance.